What's up, guys? Man, I'm happy you guys caught me, man. We are in traffic right now. I'm just leaving the barber shop. Ooh, and I'm in a Raptor. Oh my God, y'all see the tops? Oh, I let them see through tops on this joint, man. But furthermore, man, we are on our way back to the crib. I was gonna head up to BBV to see if they have black outer fairing for the new bike, but I recently just looked on eBay and they got like brand new gloss black ones for like $100, and I'm sure BBV is not gonna give me a brand new one for $100. You never know, but I think I'm just gonna play it safe, go to eBay, pay that $100 and get a brand new outer fairing. I'm gonna order that right now. I'm gonna go to the house, take the fender off, try to get that chrome cleaned up. I kind of want to take those guards off. Want to order another one just so it can look like a lot better. Also want to order those fog lights for the side, but we'll just have to see about that. That's like later on down the line. That's little stuff that really doesn't need to be changed, but I just want to change it on my own, as well as get a 21-inch wheel and a wraparound for that front rim. Now that it is like a spoke wheel, they do have 21-inch like spoke rims for like the same price as the other 21 I just got. So I may just do that. Don't really know exactly which route I want to go yet, but I do know I want a 21 and another wraparound. So we'll get that black front end on there, have that black wraparound come, have that black fairing come, and we'll get it going, man. Let's head back to the house and see what we can get done on this bike. Y'all want to know what's so funny? Oh man, I don't want to slow down too much, but y'all see that freaking trailer full of cars? They got a freaking motorcycle from Copart I was bidding on, man. That's crazy, dog. We done made it back to the crib. Woo! Hey, that's so funny. When I was walking towards the bike right now, it literally didn't look like it had a fairing because I was just looking at it on the camera with you guys. It looked like it was a Road King. And I say that because I was just thinking about, man, wouldn't it be dope to freaking switch this bike to a Road King? We would literally have to take off the inner and outer, get a different wiring harness, and then get that Road King front setup or whatever. It's not really hard at all, but it's just a matter of finding all the right parts. So it would be dope to freaking do that, but we would have to pretty much change our bars. We could leave these bars on there, but it would just look a little bit different. But if you really want that nice Road King look, you would have to switch the bars and get that cocked back type of, feel. But I don't know, just a thought. But today I think I want to snatch off these little rail guards right here. These chrome rail guards, well, saddlebag guards, I'm sorry. Want to snatch off this fender because that thing is scraped and bent up here. Not a big deal, but I definitely want to get it off, get it to the side. The fairing I already found, it is only like $100 for a gloss black one, so I think I'm gonna do that. What's up, guys? Today's video is sponsored by your very own Everything's Regular Enriched Studies, the place to learn everything there is to know about Copart, from how to bid to figuring out what lots to look at, finding transport, how to profit off Copart, as well as scaling your sales up. Be sure to sign up today for your one-way ticket to success. Remember, never underestimate yourself, guys. Anybody can do this. Sign up for the class today. I did it, and you could too. But other than that, I don't know. I want to get the chrome clean for you today for you guys, so we can probably tackle that. But honestly, the way this thing is set up, man, it might even be gone before we get that far. So I don't know. We'll just have to see how far we can get and go on about our day. So I got this front wheel off. I know most of you guys are gonna be like, bro, why do you take off the front wheel to freaking get the fender? Well, on these older bikes, they have these little freaking thing that covers the bolt. So you literally, it's hard to get in there. It's easier if you do it with the wheel off. So we'll just knock this out real quick, get this fender off and get that wheel back mounted up. just like that. I got the fender off. Oh, snaps. Got the fender off, got the wheel off. About to reattach these brakes and stuff, throw this wheel back on there. These are, I guess, like double side taped or whatever. These are definitely taped on both sides, like double-sided 3M tape. But we'll leave those on there for now, no big deal. But let's put this wheel back on there, man. This fender is pretty whooped. Need a freaking, I should leave it like this and just freaking wait till the fairing come, but rather have it rolling. Man, if y'all just seen that, dog, literally almost broke my dang hand trying to catch this bike from freaking falling backwards off the jack and running right into the blue bike. Now, that has never happened before. And then again, I never had it that high before either. So both of those came into play. I almost lost it, y'all, but we got it. Got the fender off, got the wheel back on there. Need to just tighten up the bolts a little bit, and then we'll be good to go there. Waiting on the fairing. We already ordered that. And then it's looking like we don't need an inner fairing, so that's always a plus because I didn't order one. Well, we kind of do, but we'll see how this thing works out when we get it. If not, we'll have to buy a new one. This one actually is kind of looking kind of jank, so don't know just yet. We'll have to see about that, but yeah, man, that was kind of scary, dog. I ain't gonna even hold you. Alrighty, guys, we got those bags back on. That thing is looking good. We put those little chrome pieces right there back in the back. Now, if you guys just look at it now, definitely looks a lot better without those saddlebag guards than that fender. Without it, it actually does look better without that too. Definitely does look good now. Definitely does look good. I'm gonna go ride it really quick. really do. But all in all, looking really good. Now these saddlebag guards are for sale. I got 2 sets of these, so if anybody's interested, hit me up on everythingsregular.com, and you guys can get those for a nice decent price as well. I have this wheel over here. I don't know if you guys want it. If you do, let me know. everythingsregular.com. I was gonna use this fender, but none of these works on like the older bikes. And if I get a newer bike, I'll probably just do a wraparound. So if you guys have like a 17 and up Harley, you guys need a fender, let me know. And then I do have these leather saddlebag covers. If anybody is interested, man, get at your boy, let me know what y'all need. Then I do want to start this thing up just for the heck of it. Gotta get it used to being ran again. Yes, sir. I'm digging it. This thing actually looks really, really good. I can't wait. Cannot wait. It looks real good. Damn. And it's getting kind of late already. I started late today. Really was just kind of tired, man, to be honest with you, but did get a few things done on the bike. We might have to just pick this up tomorrow. But as for the back end, it does look really good back here. Literally just waiting on the front fairing, and that thing should be complete just like that. Now, I was probably going to get another rim, but actually just looking at it like this, I actually like this wheel. So we'll just try to get it looking all good. I don't know. We'll just have to see, though, man. What y'all think about it? Let me know in the comments below.